Good morning. I had to buy those two little lights because this trailer don't have lights. But they look pretty good. Yeah, I think people will see them just fine. Cool. So here be my load. Pretty awesome. It only secures from the bottom. But that's it right there. Oh wowzers, the wind chill's dangerous. I ain't staying out here. There it is. Alright, that's dangerous. I don't have my gloves on. I gotta get in the truck. It hurts. Hey bud, good morning. Good morning. Macro. Do this. He's a happy boy. Holy cow. We're gonna fire up the truck. What do you think, Mac? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, my man. Yeah. He's already done his stuff. We have a crane appointment tomorrow, so we're gonna do our best to make that happen like we're supposed to. Vet said he ain't gonna get much bigger. That's good. We have another vet appointment in 3 weeks for his final shot. It's like a third round of distemper group of shots. Just because we travel. I know it. It's a morning, ain't it? I know what you want, boy. Alright, y'all. We gotta roll. Talk to you later.